Nobody talks about what happens when you stop believing in yourself. Confidence is not lost forever. It can be rebuilt. If life made you doubt yourself, this message is for the person who feels stuck right now. There are seasons in life when confidence feels strong, and there are seasons when doubt becomes louder than belief. Failure happens, people disappoint us, dreams take longer than expected. Little by little, confidence fades and you begin to question yourself. But losing belief in yourself does not mean it is gone forever. Just like strengthening a muscle, confidence grows again with practice, patience, and action. It's normal to lose confidence sometimes. Accept it and keep going. Everyone goes through it. You're doing great. Even the strongest people experience moments of doubt. Entrepreneurs fail, leaders struggle, successful people face rejection. The difference is not that they never doubt themselves. Your difficult season does not define your future. Stop letting past failures define you. They are lessons, not life sentences. Define your future with courage. One mistake does not define your value. One rejection does not determine your ability. Sometimes we carry old failures like permanent labels. We replay them in our minds and slowly begin to believe those negative thoughts. But failure is not proof that you cannot succeed. It is proof that you tried. Every successful person has a story of failure behind their success. Change the way you speak to yourself. Your words shape your reality. Speak with kindness and power. The voice inside your mind is powerful. If you constantly tell yourself, I can't do this, I'm not good enough, I always fail, your mind begins to accept those thoughts as truth. I am learning. I am growing. I will improve. Confidence begins with the conversation you have with yourself. Start with small wins. These build momentum for bigger goals. Celebrate each one and keep moving forward. You've got this. Belief grows through action. You do not need to achieve something huge immediately. Start small. Success rebuilds trust in yourself. Small victories lead to bigger confidence. Surround yourself with positive influence. It will uplift and inspire you every day. Your environment affects your mindset. If you are constantly surrounded by negativity, criticism, and discouragement, it becomes harder to believe in yourself. Encouragement fuels confidence. Take action even when you feel afraid. Fear is normal, but don't let it stop you. Keep moving forward. Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes from action. Waiting till you feel ready can keep you stuck forever. Start before you feel fully prepared. Every step forward weakens fear and strengthens belief. Remember who you are becoming. Embrace the power within you. Step into that future with confidence. You are not the same person you were years ago. You have learned, you have grown, you have survived challenges. Your journey is shaping you into someone stronger than you realize. Remember your own strength. Believing in yourself again is not about pretending everything is perfect. It is about choosing hope even after disappointment. Because of getting up more active, your strongest version of you may still be ahead. Believing in yourself again is not about pretending everything is perfect. I choosing up one more time after you fall. Your confidence can return. Your dreams are still possible. Your story is still being written. Start again, believe again, because the strongest version of you may still be ahead.